just watched the movie Home Sweet Hell. This movie is from 2015, and let's see, what is rated R. It's Don Champagne seems to have it all, but when his wife Mona learns of his affair with a pretty new sales girl, she will stop at nothing to maintain their storybook life. I thought this actually was pretty good. It's considered a dark comedy suspense kind of movie. It's 1 hour and 37 minutes long, but what'd you think of it, Lisa?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, that was entertaining.
Yeah, a lot of big actors in it.
Yeah, a lot of big names in it and stuff. I would recommend it. I'll see if I can find it on... Oh, it is on Prime. Okay, I'll see if I can link it below to watch on Prime. But yeah, I think it's included with Prime even, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty Prime.
Yeah, so it's included with Prime. But yeah, Home Sweet Hell. Probably not one I would watch again a second time around, but once around, yeah, it was pretty good. It was pretty quick paced, and it didn't really have any lulls or slow parts. So I thought it was good. I'd recommend it. How many stars out of 5 would you give it? I'd probably go solid 3 for me.
I was thinking 3 too. Yeah. I don't think it goes past 3. But
no, I go a good solid 3 star.
yeah, it's worth one watch.
And it looks like on IMDb it got 4 out of 5 stars. So it seemed like people. Sorry about the Chihuahua's bronchitis. Seems like people really like it. But if you have seen Home Sweet Hell, let me know what you thought of it in the comment section. And if you have not, are you a fan of dark comedies? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.